back.
Move my mic around again. My GPS, something wrong with the cord anyway for not really charging off the bike. I'm running 22 in the rear cold, 25 in the front. Definitely a tinge in the air of smoke. Can't see.
Get up the road, you dickhead.
Can't see shit.
Butterflies aren't helping either.
Skip and skid.
Gate's open.
The fresh gravel here, Red.
Squirty under.
Squishy, yeah.
Yeah.
It's a big pile of timber. Couple of kangas.
Just follow the rut on this one. Nice little creek in there.
Bit of a water crossing, Red.
Oh, look out. Didn't even get your camera on. Oh, how unfortunate.
I did.
Oh, butterflies. Come on. Bang, bang, bang. Fucking hell. I'm a murderer today.
Yeah, she's pretty steep.
Whoop, 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 whoop. Trying to feather. Whoa, 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 whoa. Fuck, where are we, man?
We're going across that rock garden.
Are you serious?
Yep.
Fuck. Okay. Shit. Alright, you first. Is this the one you're warning me about?
Nah, this I didn't even know existed.
Great.
Whoop, whoop, whoop. Commit and roll here. Whoop.
I'm picking a different path to you, I think. Just give me a sec. I'm just going to get down here. Alright,
Possibly do that. Whoa, 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 whoa.
1, 2, 3.
Stop it there. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Oh. Fuck me.
I'm tired. Just fucking helping. Not good getting back on my bike. Getting back on my bike. Getting back on my bike. Get back on my bike.
What?
Can't get my fucking leg up high enough. Right?
Yeah. Keep go. Yes. Don't stop there. Yep. Yep. All the way. Go. Punch it. Punch it. Go. 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 There you are.
There you go. I've
Do a
been
Yui
here
here.
before.
You would.
Where are you stopping now?
Just here. Yeah, go in there.
That is beautiful.
She's a don't slip and slide road, this one.
Just got to keep my hand on the clutch so I don't
Yeah.
grab the accelerator and go round. There's a little sneaky track back there. Don't know what you're doing, mate.
Neither do I. Up on the pegs.
Oopsies. Probably picked the wrong track here. Yeah. I could probably get up that. Just trying my luck, eh? Come on, Daniel. Amateur fucking hell this is.
And ride the centre of the rut. And then you'll have to commit to drop into it later.
Yeah.
It turns hard right.
Up.
Yeah. I don't know if I got that. Drop in and ride it hard around the corner.
Yep. I rode it soft. Not a dickhead.
Got it done. The shittest rocks.
In. Be
That's
careful.
a washout there.
Be careful. Back out of the rocks.
And they're back.
And back again.
Right. 1, 2, 3, go!
He blinked.
Food vans and stuff. Big ruts over that hill. I almost went first, Dan. Here's just a car backing up. A few four-wheel drivers out and about, eh?
Oh yeah.
Is he waving us on past? Yeah.
Thank you.
Launches it. Whoa! That was bumpy back there. Wash out, fucking punch it.
Oh shit.
Yeah, that's just lumping. Bump, 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 bump. The shadows make it hard to see these today.
Stop for a beer or
Nah.
what do you want to buy a ferret?
Wobble, wobble, bang, bang, wobble, wobble. Poor dog. Sorry, mate.
Sorry, puppy.
I've seen enough dust today already. Fucking Harley, mate. Catch you, brother.
Party on.
See you, mate. 245.4, so it'll be 246 k's by the time we get home. Oh yeah. Let's do a regular hill climb here. Let's see how we go. Up on the pegs. Feed into it. Let's go. Slippery. Up. Look where we want to go. Oh, hey, the back wheels. Okay, we're going a bit off course here this time. Whoa. She is slippery. Jesus. Oh, she's not. It's going to get better every time with this TKC80 on the back, I think. Feel free to hit the like and subscribe. And there'll be another one on the way soon, and then camping weather soon. Cheers.